Hello and welcome to another tutorial session. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change your password on Depop. This is a simple and straightforward process and it will not take your time at all. Now, first thing, understand that Depop is a platform where you sell and buy all sorts of items, including vintage, brand new, fairly used, thrifted items, or what have you. Remember that if you are interested in buying and selling and you want to achieve all of this, just make sure you set up your Depop account, put up all of your products, and make sure you do well to follow suitable brands that do the kind of things that you do, so they can see your product and buyers can also see you and buy or either engage your profile. Now, to show you how to change your passwords on Depop, whether you're unsure that your account has been breached and you want to change your password to ensure security, first of all, go to Google and then type in Depop and this platform would appear. This is where you can either sign in or get yourself properly logged in on Depop. And having done that, ensure that you go through all the process of logging in or signing up for your Depop. Make sure you have your Gmail address, phone numbers, and passwords, and whatever information they will require of you to get yourself properly signed in. And when you've done that, it will navigate you to your Depop platform. So this is what your homepage looks like, where you have your account, your listings, buying, sellings, and all the items properly stated over here. Now, to change your password, you would always go to the setting button. Now, to find that, you head over to the top right corner over here where you have your profile icon. Click on that and it will take you to this menu bar where you have your profile, selling hub, purchases, settings, and all of this listed here. Now click on settings, and when it navigates you to settings, you would find the option to log into your account, all right, or preferences, two-factor authentication, and all of this information listed there. You have user details and all of this. These are all found on the settings page. Now, to ensure that you change your password, just go under account, select password, and then enter your current password and then type in your new password and then save changes, which is down here. This is how you can easily change your password on Depop without having to go through any hassle. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you've been able to learn how to change your password on Depop. Until next time, bye for now.